Hello everyone, so this is part 2 for our upcoming exercise exam. Holibi part 2 najagide in part 1 I made a blunder to do question number 42 didagishe. So what I did was I took left turn instead of right turn. Okay, so let's try it again. Suman walks 10 km towards west quasi. So yate start point ase west I has 10 km. After 10 km, tai right turn gule this way ho, not this way. Yesterday's class day moi this way loise, left turn loise. But the question day right turn going ase. So right turn holi do right turn upward 13 km cha ase. 13 km cha bijide again right turn lo ase. Kiman lo ase 10 km. That means yede 10 km do yede shita. Taijon same dio. Right, so 10 km in this direction. Going towards east cha ase. Alright, holibi right turn lushuli do nichi balaibo. Tagan ko ase right turn lo ase kiman tour ja ase 23 km ja ase. So yete yatibra iman tak to 13 km hobo na nai. Iman tak. Yatibaro another 10 km. So this is the start one. Idu start ase. This is start. Aru yete ending ase. Yete end ase. Question about the other, in which direction is the starting point from the end point? End point bra starting point to vertically upward ase. Yes, so the answer is what? North hobo na nai. To north agiche. Alright, so this material though I brought from West Bengal or Madhya Pradesh kana excise and forest kana exam takan similar type takalaga. So question number to sequence in nada pare I just copy paste kurishe in our which I find important for our excise exam karne itula level de. So yeah, don't get me wrong also. Now first question to ki ase do cost price of 3 kg of potato. Yate 3 kg potato aru 2 kg tomato do 32 rupees pra kinishe. Now next to ki ase. Next one also 1 kg of potato, 1 kg of potato or 4 kg of tomato do tai 39 rupees per kinishe. So let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now they are asking us to find 1 kg of potato kiman puisa ase, 1 kg of tomato kiman puisa ase. So in order to find that one, we need to eliminate kuro lagibo. Kunuma eliminate kuro lagibo. So class 10 maths apni solve kure ina ase gulido. Ajikali bhi tuitions kan diye ase noli bhi class 10 la maths shika ase gulido. We can either solve by substitution or elimination method. So either one. Now here yate let's try to cancel tomato. So yate 2t ase yate 4t ase. So yate ki multiply korle 4 pabo. Multiply by 2 holi pabo na nai. So yate multiply by 2 to itu ikla gi noina itu pura equation ge multiply by 2 holayo. So multiplying here by 2. Right. So 2 3 times yate 2 3 times will give us 6p. 2 times will give us 4d, and then this will give us 232 times is what? 64. Equation 2 do as EDC ragibo 1p plus 4d is equal to 39. So mugando tomato to cancel hole papna. So we are multiplying equation 1 by 2 and subtracting equation 1 into. So let's subtract. Subtract kure se ulido yede nichi de plus taka do opposite sign hobo minus aibo. Yede minus takile plus aibo takije. But since here is plus, opposite sign is minus. Yede plus ase minus. Plus 4d minus 4d will give us 0. 6p minus 1b will give us 5p is equal to this one will give us 5 and then 25. So 5 1 times, 5 5 times. So 1 potato do 5 rupees as a per kg. They're asking us to find even tomato also. So options I show you do yede potato first hoti ase to 3 to noy. Option 1 cancel. 5 to ase, 18 to noy, 4 to 5 ase. So either option 2 or 4 ekta de hobo. So let's check. P by Shulido, you just put either in equation 1 or 2. Equation 1 or 2 de kushikta de B la chaga de 5 tali dibi. So equation 2 de talese. equation 2 de yede 1 into 5 to ki ase pura to 5 rupees ase so 1 into 5 is 5 rupees plus 4t is equal to 39 ase so 4t is equal to 39 5 to t le right side lu jale minus ho jao why because yede plus sign ase so 39 minus 5 will give us 34 yede 2 times 2 17 times ase that means 2 to pataile 17 by 2 I say that means 17 by 2 do option 2 de ase if a diagonal of a square is 6 root 2 yade this one is from area of a square laga bisawar lagibo to yade diagonal of a square do root 2 goli do diagonal la formula do side root 2 ase is equal to kiman digina ase 6 root 2 digina ase root 2 cancel ase side is equal to 6 ase area of a square is nothing but since all sides are equal area is what side square ase 6 square wo this will give us 36 centimeter square ase area de always you need to square de I will like volume ase uli to cube de okay now for this one moi time save kro nimite I already likina ragi dije to now ide 1 or 4 ide 1 and 5 okay ekta dice de yede tuida dice strong graze olibi first thing first ekta dice de moan kiman face tage 6 face tage and they are number 1 tage bare 3 2 3 4 5 6 tage tuida dice tagile mogan tuida dice tagile mogan 36 total number of outcome ase tuida dice to itu laga ase let's try to understand this one tuida dice to tron gradually the first dice to 1 bowl chance ase second dice also 1 bowl chance ase next time tron gradam de ekta 1 or ekta 2 bowl chance ase because different dice to ekta dice de 1 baile the other dice to 2 chance ase so 1 3 chance ase 1 4 chance ase 1 5 chance ase 1 6 chance ase 6 la upper nai because we know we have only 6 face to choida number ta ke ase to itu nishina 2 db 1 2 3 4 5 6 chance ase 3 db 1 2 3 4 yes ina jagina 6 tak pura chance ase to itu kiman asuli do 6 ase ede aru yedi be 6 ase so purishuli do we have 36 in total now we know probability la formula is nothing but favorable outcome by total number of outcome total number do always 2 times de 36 takyo 3 times asuli do we will have 216 times ase 216 outcome ase to yade favorable outcome to q tia asuli do they find the probability that the sum of the number is less than 15 kiman jun ase we need to find that one first so yade 1 plus 1 to 2 ase less than 15 1 plus 2 also 3 less than 15 inya chaishuli do even the last dice thrown kora debi 6 plus 6 to 12 asena na to yede sobse tangula number do 12 ase sum do sobse kumdi wala do tuita dice the number ba do sum gurile 2 is the smallest one so here 15 la less asena na sob to so yede bi 36 chun da yuna na so favorable outcome will be again 36 khatile 1 ase answer will be 1 so this is the answer okay next to this is from common interest brase yede common interest half yearly do naha ki de yearly de amount kina pisaro so yearly la amount will be right this is for yearly principal 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n ase half yearly hogane yede takan koala sabde 1.5 years ase when the interest is compounded half yearly going ase so we cannot use this formula half yearly la formula chulawo lagibo so half yearly la formula do same ase holibi yede rate to divide by 2 wo lage power de 2n hai wo lagibo so amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate by 2 divided by 100 to the power 2n ase to yade takan hotia do amount hotia ase so amount is equal to 7500 is the principal and then 1 plus rate to 8 by 2 divided by 100 kile gole do half yearly hotia ase 2 to the power n 1.5 years to 1 year de 12 months ase 0.5 to get half ase half year de kiman ho 6 months ase na so ye de 18 months ase only we need to convert in terms of what year ase so in a year we have 12 months so ye de 2 6 times 6 3 times so power do 3 hoise now ye de 2 1 times 2 4 times 4 25 times katiu baro so here 7500 bracket 1 plus 1 by 25 to the power 3 ase LCM lushi uli do 7500 LCM lushi nichi de 25 hi ase so LCM is 25 because here we have 1 and 25 ka LCM is 25 1 25 times 25 into 1 times is 25 plus 25 1 times 1 into 1 is 1 to the power 3 now next to ki ase uli do 7500 de into 25 plus 1 to 26 ase so 26 by 25 to the power 3 hobo na nai so 3 means what we need to multiply 3 times so 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 yate 75 into 100 p likho parabo na nai 75 100 to so here 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 25 4 times yate 25 3 times ase so we need to multiply 3 into 4 into 26 into 26 into 26 divided by 25 time 1 multiply kor lagibo so yede 26 or 26 to kiman ase so 26 will give us 6 times 36 3 in hand 12 15 12 1 in hand 4 5 6 ase 7 ase 6 ase again we are left with another 26 so here 6 times is 26 36 3 in hand 42 45 4 in hand 36 40 ase 36 de 4 dalile 40 hobo 2 6 times is 12 1 in hand 14 15 1 in hand 12 and 13 so yede 6 7 5 7 1 ase idu do 26 3 bar multiply kola ase now we are left with 3 4s are 12 so multiply with 12 again yede 2 6 are 12 1 in hand 14 15 1 in hand 10 5 2 are 10 1 1 in hand 14 15 1 in hand 2 1s are 2 3 ase 1 6 times 6 7 5 7 and 1 this will give us 2 1 8 9 ase and then 0 1 in hand 2 in hand that means 2 1 0 9 1 2 do we need to divide by 25 so yede let's divide that one if we divide it 210912 do if we divide by 25 यदि option भी सabo लगे option साइज उगली तो option सब तो 8 पर शुरू करना से और यदि none of this भी नहीं ये दोनों we can clearly say 8 times or no so 8 5s are 40 4 in hand 16 200 यदि 10 हो यदि 9 बचबो so 25 4 times is 100 or no so 25 4 times तो 100 आसे so 84 something bacha do kundu ase yede option 1 class na nai so even if you don't find it everything since we don't have any option there 5 kuna none of this nai do so in that case 84 something is only in option 1 then option 1 is the answer next to AP ase so arithmetic progression bra this A is called the first term right first term ase do and then this is what common difference ase n is what n term ase do so they are asking us to find an so an la formula do an is nothing but a plus n minus 1 bracket d ase so even this AP is also in class 10 textbook one la class 10 textbook de maths textbook ase you can check it out once to yede a du kiman digina ase 28 digina ase plus n du kiman ase 7 ase minus 1 ase d du ki ase minus 4 ase na nai so here 28 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4 ase so minus into plus will give us minus so 28 minus 6 4 is 24 ase 28 minus 24 will give us 4 so answer is 4 ase next one cost price of 20 article is equal to selling price of 15 article this is from profit and loss to yade cost price is equal to selling price puisa ase kile manole 20 article cost price la 20 article bigger grado 15 article bigger gram de mogan puisa do pai lu jai That means cost price is equal to selling price if it is rupees X as equal to, or let's say rupees 1. Right, 1 as equal to. Yadi 1 as equal to. Yadi be 1 hobo na nahi. This means what? 20 cost price is equal to 1, and then 15 cost price, selling price is equal to 1. So yadi cost price is equal to 1 by 20 ase, yadi selling price is equal to 1 by 15 ase. But from here, from the question itself, we can say taido lab kaise kili manole 20 article to kuta let's say extra kini shikubi. So 15 article ekla bikri gram di tai 100 to pa ase, and then we are left with another 5 more articles to be sold. So yede 5 articles to bikri kora sob to tai lapi hobo. Idone we can say tai profit kaise. So here profit percent to ki ase? Profit percent is nothing but selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100 ase. So yede selling price to 1 by 15 ase minus cost price to 1 by 20 ase divided by 1 by 20 into 100 ase. Nichide 15 or 20 ase. LCM bisaro lego. LCM bisaram de, this is the smart approach. Number LCM de number kun kiman ase yede tuita class e tuita majure sobse tangula to 20 ase. So 20 la multiplication jabo. 21 times 20, 22 times 40, 3 times 16 na jabo. Pachala number wa divisible ase na nahi edu number do. So 21 times 20 ase, 22 times is what? 40, 60 and so on. So 20 is not divisible by 15 to LCM noi. 40 is also not divisible by 15. Kili 15 as ulido 20 tangobra number ase. Pacha number kan do kiman ase? 15 ekla ase. So yadi wa khatibu pare na nai. But 60 to 15 bra khatibu pare ase na. That means 60 is the LCM. 15 4 times will give us 60. 23 times. Yade 1 by 2 to nichide opera initially to 20 by 1 haibo into 100 ase. This will give us 3. Yade 4 minus 3 will give us 1 by 3 into 100 ase. Now if you cut this one, you will get in terms of 33.33% ase. Right. So 33.33% though, we can also write 33 1 by 3% ase. So answer 4 ase. This one is the answer. Alright. Now if you are wondering again, kina hona itu ulai shuli do, just 100 to 3 bra divide koribi. So 3 times is 9, 10 ase, 3 times is 9 ase. Yadi 1 ase. So 33 yedebo 1 to niji jabo, 3 to niji jabo, 1 to operaibo. So here this means what? 33 1 by 3 inya palas. Next one is also profit and loss, right? Discount brase. So yeah, a shopkeeper gives 1 item free on purchase of 10 items. That means tai la saman kina do tosta kinam de ekta dia se. That means tai total saman kiman pase. Total saman do tai 11 saman pase na nai. 11 saman de ekta discount pase na nai. Ekta free pase. That is discount. So kiman percent ase ko ase. So yede percent discount will be discount percent. Alright, discount percent will be tai 11 items de ekta free pase. So yede percent hote we need to multiply by 100. That means 100 by 11 ase na nai. So 100 by 11 to ki ase itu ase. We can also twist the question. Option to twist ko paro. We can also say this is 9.09% be ko paro. Alright, 9.09. If you cut it, you will get 9.09 paisa. Next one. Next to LCM or HCF for ase. So yede whenever you come across this type of question, aro decimal thakina, right, point thakina thakishuli, you just remove the point. In order to remove the point, yede sobse point to tuita de ase. Ekta. That means tuita dangola ase. In order to remove these 2 points, we need to multiply by 100 or no. To multiply by 100 kurile mogan yede 0.24 into 100 will give us 24 divo. Yede 0.6 into 100 will give us 60 divo. 1.8 into 100 will give us 180 divo. Yede 1.2 will give us into 100 will give us 120 divo. Kina na paise 24 point to bilaile yede 100 ase and we are multiplying by 100. So cancel 24 paise. 6 ase ekta point ase, that means here 10. Yede 100 ase cancel kurse 60 paise. Ina paise de. So yede mohan 100 to naporo lagbo. Last step bisar bajide will divide by 100 because we are multiplying it. To mohan multiply korosilu divide koritilu do multiply 100 par korina. If we divide by 100 then we are getting only 1 or no. So later on we need to divide it by 100 yade LCM hoti ase gulido aki de kwan nichina tagala majore sobse tangula number do this one 120 ase 120 la multiplication aibo 121 times 120 122 times is 240 123 times is 360 ina chaina je 4 times 5 times pachela number bra sob to 12 to divisible ase na nai 24 5 times pare ase 60 2 times pare ase but 180 do na pare so 120 is not the LCM 240 do 10 times ase yade 40 times ase but this is not possible but 360 to pare ase na 360 to ki ase 182 times pare ase 60 6 times will give us 360 24 I think it's 15 times so here pare ase so LCM is what 360 ase na so 360 to LCM ase gulido we need to divide by 100 to na because they multiply by 100 kuna ase so we divide by 100 so here the point to kuti ani gulido 100 0 to das na that means opode 1 2 that means 3.6 ase so LCM to 3.6 paise so here option 1 ekla ase that's the answer only be HCF bisaru kina bisaru gulido LCM means lowest common multiple ko ase HCF means highest common factor la kota ko aziludo 24 60 180 12 or 120 do kila number ta bra khatiu paribo sobse number tangor wala bra khatiu paribo gulido if we check 12 for paribo na nai 12 bra how much times 2 times is 24 12 5 times yede 12 1 times 60 that means 12 15 times will give us 180 yede 12 10 times that means 12 is the highest factor or no yede pare andos number do bishi dagibo 2 bar be pare ase 4 bar be pare ase holibi sob la machude 12 is the greatest so HCF to 12 but we need to divide by 100 right so here point to lilo 0.12 ayase na nai so here 1 is the answer 3.6 and 0.12 next one is also from common interest braze so in how much time yadi do n hote ase n bisari ko ase so yadi in how much time will 625000 becomes this much at 10% per annum compounded annually hote ase so here amount to mogan puisa to iman dishina nai yes principal kiman dagije 62500 ase yade 1 plus 10% de dishe yearly ase it only we are not dividing by 2 and then n do mon pisaw lagibo so we know this one is 831875 ase and then if we divide by 625000 is equal to yede 0 cancel ase that means here LCM do 10 ase yede 1 ase 1 10 times so 10 1 times is 10 ase plus 1 this to the power n ase now we can cut by 5 pra khatile is it 1 3 1 yeah this is divisible by 625000 do kilo gulido right kilo gulido yate 11 power ase by 10 power ase that means yate to the power n do bisa lagibo so I think this is 625 into 1331 right let's check 625 into 1331 will give us 8318751 5105 or in a noilibi pado payase right holibi in a noilibi you can just cancel yedi khatibu pare 5 pra khatibi right in a khatina jaisuli do last do yede 1000 pachu or yede 1331 pachu lase so yede 1331 divided by 1000 do 10 plus 1 to get 11 by 10 to the power n ase now search in indices de p to the power m is equal to p to the power n actually do b equal as equal to that don't same yet be 5 tally 5 actually do we can say m is equal to n that means by any means the 11 la niwo lagibo now we know yede 1331 to get 11 cube ase 1000 to get 10 cube ase that means here we can say 3 or no so 11 by 10 to the power n ase So yede n is equal to 3 years go paribo na. So answer is what? 3 ase. Next is if 30% of x plus y. 30% means what? 30 by 100 of means into x plus y as a is equal to 60%. 60 by 100 x minus y as a. So here 100 cancel as a 31 times 32 times as a. So x plus y is equal to 2x bracket kule ase 2x minus 2y as a. So y do yedin ase x lui jase. So y etia taka do minus 2y tanile plus 2y hobo. Yete 2x plus x becomes minus x. Then this is nothing but 3y is equal to x ase. So here 3 is equal to x yete pataile y do nichide aibona nai. So x aru y la do x to 3 as do y do 1 ase na nai. Y do 1 pa ase. Now takan hodi ase. Then y will be touch of x. Then y will be touch of x quasi. So percentage digin ase. So y is what percent of x? Means what? Y is what percent of x? Percent into 100. That means you will get 33.33% by jabo. So here this is the answer. Next one is simplification. Alright, we can say this is search in indices pick over. So 2562 kila square ase. This is 16 squares. 256 ase. Now we know search in indices de p to the power m into p to the power n do yede same number ase power alag ase. Only multiplication as do we can add the power m plus n. So similarly 256 de 0.16 plus 0.09 do 8 korile. We will get 256 yede 0.25 power. Now 0.25 nothing but 256 0.25 to key 1 by 4 sana 25 point to pilale nichide 0 to table 1 times 4 times. So now we can say 256 to key laga power as 16 square sana 16 square to the power 1 by 4 as holy be again 16 to key 4 square sana. So 4 square into 2 to the power 1 by 4. This will give us 4 2 to the 4 into 1 by 4 is nothing but cancel 4 here 1 and so answer is what? 2 is the answer. Next one is from percentage. In a group of person, 70% of the person are male. So here, let's say XO as be. Mano, we're just assuming a number. XO de male do 70% as do 70% of 100 means 70% means divided by 100 into the total, and female is what? 70% as female will be 30% one. So 30 by 100 into 100 ase. So cancel kili 100 ase. We are just assuming a total do XO ase in a assume grade. Alright, just an assumption. So here cancel. This will give us 70 male 30 female was na 30% of the persons are married. 30% married ase. 30% married ase gulido yade out of 100 total de out of 100 de 30% kiman hobo 30 hobo na nai. Married kando 30% ase. So 30% of 100 to kiman ase ite be 100 30 hobo na nai. So married kando 30 ase. Now unmarried kando 70 hobo. Alright, holy be the question unmarried like kuina nai. So if 27 of the male are married, so this means what? Total male to kiman ase iman ase yede married kan 27 kan married ase out of 70 chun. That means here kiman chun 20 chun married korna ase na nai. Total married do 30 ase. Total do 30 chun married ase. Out of 30 chun 20 chun mutakan married ase the female will be what? 10 hobo na nai. Kinar paise 30 total minus male will give us female ka married kan. Now yede what fraction of the female is single quasi. So out of 30 females taga de married aro single do married to 20 chun dagisilo single to 10 hobo na nai because taju milai na 30 hobo. So fraction hoti asilo do therefore single kan to kiman ase 20 ase out of how much 30 chun ase na nai. What fraction of the female is single? Alright, yade plunder ase again. Married kan to 10 ase, that means married kan to 10 hobo na nai. So married kan to 10 ase ulido, single kan to 20 ase na nai. So takan single la fraction of ase, that means single kan to 20 ase out of how much? 30 chun ase na nai. So yede 2 times, yede 3 times. So answer is what? 2 by 3 ase na nai. That's the answer. 2 by 3 is the answer. Next is again simplification. Yet whenever you come across like this, that means you just multiply. Yet multiply go 3 5 and 15. 15 plus 3. That means 15 plus 3 is what? 18 as na. So 18 nichi de ki ase 5 ase. Ito ebo. Same thing, yet be 18 by 5 ase. Plus 2 into this will give us 18 by 5 into 2 by 5 ase. Plus 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25 ase. So yede 18 do kiman ase? 18 do 256. Oh sorry, 2. Right, let's check. 18. Yede 64 69 and then 8 1 8 1 4 8 and then 3 to 4. Right, 3 to 4 ase. So here 3 to 4 base. So 3 to 4 ase. 3 to 4 18 into 18 do aru yede 25 ase. Yede plus 2 to the 4. 4 18 times. 4 8 times is 32. 3 in hand. 4 1 times 4 7 by 25 plus 4 by 25 ase. LCM do bisarle 25 to sub 25 ase. That means 25 wasn't nai. So yede 324 plus 72 plus 4 wasn't nai. So sub plus correlate this will give us what? 328 plus 2 will give us 330 and then we have 400 or no? 400 over nai divided by 25. So 4 into 100 is also what? 400 or no? So yede 25 4 times 100 to kadeze. Right, so 4 into 100. So 100 to 25 4 times. So 4 4s are 16 ase. So answer is what? 16. Next though, this is also from profit and loss again. So profit and loss day, by selling a bicycle for rupees 2560, Rajesh incurs a loss of 20%. So tai 20% loss kaina bigir gurche iman busa bigir gurase ulido. That means cost price to kiman ase najane, but let's say 100% ase gobi. So tai selling price to kiman bigir gurase. Tai 20% loss per bigir gurase. 20% loss. That means 20% loss means tai 80% per bigir gurase na nai. To 80% la puisa kiman ase 2560 ase. So here 1% will be what? 1% will be yede patale 2560 de 80 niche hona nai. So 0 will be cancelled. 8 3 times is 24 and 8 2 times is 16. That means 1% do 32 rupees ase. What will be the selling price to make 10% profit in the selling the same bicycle? To dai 10% profit lagi golido. Yede 100% de tai 10% profit lagi golido. The new selling price will be what? Yede plus 10 lagi golido. New selling price will be 110% over na. Inehole tai 10% lap ka ase. Because we assume cost price to 100% ase. Tate 10% lap ka lagi golido 110 te bikri kur lagi na. So yede 1% do imam baisulido 110% to kiman hobo? 1 into anything to ki ase? 1 into anything to anything ase. So 110 1 into 1 into 110% ase. Yede 1% aina 110 ase. So yede 1% to 32 parin ase into 110 ase. Then this will give us what? 3520 pass na nai. So answer is what? 4 ase. Next, HCF futi ase. So whenever you come across this type of fraction de paishu lido HCF futi ase ulido numerator do HCF pisaw lagibo, upper gan aru niche gan LCM pisaw lagibo. So yate upper gan do 1 3 5 7 ase. 1 3 5 7 number machure factor ta sob ke divide kuru para laga. Number to ki ase 1 ni ase to, because 1 bra 3 ki khadiu paribo, 1 bra 5 ki khadiu paribo, 1 bra 7 ki khadiu paribo, 1 bra 1 ki khadiu paribo. Idula number upper nai. Idone HCF to ki ase highest common factor to 1 ase. LCM do nichila LCM de 2 4 6 8 machure. Sobse tangula number do 8 ase. Alright. So 8 laga multiple 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24 and so on. 8 4 times 32 ina jawo. 8 to 6 pra khati upar ase na pare LCM noi. 16 khati upar ase na pare. 24 6 pra khati upar ase, yes, 4 pra khati upar ase, and then 4 6 times is also 24, and then 2 12 times is also 24. That means LCM is what, 24 no? So 24. So answer is what, 1 by 24 ase na nai. So this is the answer. Next, a present age of Ajay and Vijay are in the ratio 4:3. So present age of Ajay aro Sanjay do Ajay aro not Sanjay, Vijay do 4:3 digina ase. So let's say 4x 3x kuidibi. 5 years from now, that means future ase. This is present. Future 5 years from now means future jase. To future laga ratio to dajon Ajay and Vijay do 9 7 pa ase. So here equation kina panabo Ajay do 4x years present age ase plus 5 years tali ase, 3x Vijay laga plus 5 years tali ase do 1 ratio do 9:7 pawna nai. So cross multiply 7 4 times is 28x plus 7 5 times is 35 is equal to 9 3 times is 27x plus 9 5 times is 45. So here 27 to ani ase 28x de 27 anile minus 27x hobo. This will give us 45 to us it is 35 anile minus 35 hobo na nai. So x is equal to yede 10 pass na nai. So Vijay la present age, that means present age to 3x ase. So we got the value of x is what, 10. That means present age becomes what, 3 into 10 is nothing but 30 ho ase na nai. So 30 years ase. Next one, the least number which when divided by 4 6 8 12 16 leaves a remainder 2 in each case. Yade this topic is from this question is from number system na topic ase. Kita reminder like to one haibo, least kan haibo, you find the LCM of all the number. So LCM of all the number bisarogli do 4 6 8 12 16 majore 16 do sabse tango bola ase. So LCM of 16 to get 16 1 times is 16, 16 2 times is 32, 16 3 times is what, 48 or no, 48 ase, and then and so on. So yede 12 pra 16 khatibu na pare, cancel. 12 pra 32 khatibu na pare, 12 pra 48 khatibu pare ase. 8 how much times, 6 times, 6 8 times, 4 12 times. That means LCM do 48 ase na nai. Holi bi reminder tuita dia asuli do yede 48 to plus 2 koile 50 da actually do ido 50 number do taibra khati libi, will give a reminder 2. 6 pra khati libi, reminder tuita dibo. Reminder mane ki ase yede 50, right? 4 ra khati dilo, 4 1 times 4 yede 110, 4 2s are 8 as a reminder 2 pass na. We're talking about this reminder. So similarly 6 8 12 16 be inya khati shi check korisilu do you will get reminder 2. So answer is what, 50. Value of 30% of 3000. 30% means 30 by 100 of means into 3000 ase plus square root of 289 to ki ase, this is 17 ase, 17 square ase minus 897 ase. So 0 yede 0 cancel korile 3 3s are 920 ase. Yede plus or minus koi dibi, this will give us what, 8 minus 880 hobo na nai. To dajo minus korile kiman hobo, 20 pawo na nai. So answer is what, 20. Next one, this is from mensuration. Alright, mensuration formula kan bishi ase class 9 10 laga textbook, maths textbook par sai lubi formula tate sob ase in very detailed digin ase. So yede hollow sphere in of internal and external diameter thik ase. So yede sphere, hollow sphere means in ase sphere ekta yede hollow ase, that means this one. So external diameter means from here till pura. So internal means pitor laga to kiman ase, this is 4 digin ase. So diameter 1, let's say internal diameter do 4 ase, that means radius 1 will be what, diameter do tuita radius pra pana ase. So radius pisar uli do diameter do half kuro lago na nai. So yede 2 centimeter ase. External diameter do 8 ase, to radius for the external karni bisar uli do yede 8 by 2 will give us 4 hobo na nai. Respectively tarani moan ko par ase internal do diameter do 4 ase, external diameter do 8 ase. Is melted into con to itula sphere do melt korna cone ekta banaise. That means kiman volume hobo, itula volume will be equal to volume of that cone, and then volume la base diameter bi digina ase. They are asking us to find the height of the cone. So in order to find the volume, hollow horne yade this itu do chenda thagibo to. Chenda thagile to itu one to nalage. Volume do ki bisabo lagibo. Volume do one only itu part bisabo lagibo. Itu one part bisabo lagibo. This part bisabo lagibo. So kina bisabo li to yade sphere duita ase. So in order to find that one, volume of a sphere, volume of sphere, small one. So let's say since we use I and E, then let's say sphere I could be, and then difference of volume of sphere tangwala external E could be. So volume of a sphere la formula is 4 pi 3 pi r cube ase. So here 4 pi 3 pi r do one internal to I ase cube ase, and then here 4 pi 3 pi r external cube hobo. Yadi bar same to ki ase 4 pi 3 pi to same ase only be yadi bar 4 pi 3 pi luisuli to radius internal cube and then difference of external cube hobo na nai. Now mensuration de pi do 22 by 7 ase, trigonometry de pi do 180 ase. Yade r I do kiman ase 2 ase na, so 2 cube minus this one is 4 cube. Difference ase de, so difference to minus the pi lebi plus yo difference. So here 4 pi 3 into 22 pi 7, yade this will give us what? 2 cube is what? 8, and then this one will give us 64. Now this one will give us 4 pi 3 into 22 pi 7 into this is nothing but 56 or no. Then 7 how much times? 7 8 times is 56 or no? 7 8 times is 56. So 7 8 times is 56 or no, 1 khatibo na paro. So we just keep as it is. 1 volume do. Alright, volume do 4 pi 3 into 22 into 8 ragi dia jay. Holy be this volume is equivalent to cone hobo na, because itula volume to itu sphere to melt korna cone ekta banaise, to itula volume kiman ase will be equivalent to the cone or no? Cone ase. So cone laga volume la formula to ki ase? Right. So this one will be equal to volume of cone ase. So volume of cone la formula is 1 pi 3 pi r square h is equal to 4 pi 3 into 22 into 8 ase. So yede diameter for the cone is 8 digina ase. So diameter for the cone is 8 digina ase. So radius for the cone will be what? Divided by 2 will give us 4 no. So yede radius to 4 chalabo. So here 1 pi 3 into 22 pi 7 into 4 into 4 hobo into height na jane is equal to 4 by 3 by 3 into 22 into 8 ase. So 4 cancel kura ase, 3 cancel kura ase, 22 cancel kura ase, 4 2 times. That means here height will be what? 7 2 times will give us 14 centimeter. So yede 14 centimeter will be the answer. Next one. Next is also from mensuration brase. So yede a cylindrical vessel of height 10 centimeter. So cylinder laga jeto. So cylinder laga height is given. So cylinder to kina ase like this. Alright. So yede radius takibo, yede height takibo. So here height to kiman ase 10 centimeter digina ase, radius to 60 centimeter digina ase. This is a diameter of a spherical vessel is equal volume. That means itula volume kiman ase is equivalent to the volume of the sphere. So here volume of cylinder Alright, volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equal to volume of a sphere is 4 pi 3 pi r cube ase. Pi cancel ase. R radius kiman ase 60 ase. So here 60 into 60 into height to 10 ase. 4 into this will give us radius cube tibo. So yede 4 wa khatile 4 1 times 4 1 times is 4 and 4 5 times is 20. So yede if we find it, then this will give us 15 into 6 will give us what? 6 5s are 0 to ase. So 0 to daibo 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand, and then 3 6 1 times 6 plus 3 will give us 90. So here r cube ase. Cube to bataile r becomes cube root of 9000. Then 9000 la cube root is what? 30 cube ase na nai. This is cube. So cube is cancelled. So rear radius is equal to 30 centimeter pai jabo. So answer is what? A again. Okay, I think this is last question. Yes. So this one is from ratio and proportion again. Puisa pa kuri dibo laga. Yade if rupees 8400 is divided among A, B, and C in the ratio 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6. Oh, sorry, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 10. ठीक है. A is to B is to C the macho de 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 10 pak kura se bole to. Ratio de we have to know this one that fraction do independent nogre. So pi ini means we need to find the LCM. Aro LCM ba bijite opor ki pase denominator do pilabo lagibo. So LCM of 5, 6 and 10. Sobse tangura number do ki ase 10 ase. So multiplication of 10 de chaise bole to. LCM do kiman hobo? 10 is not divisible by 6. And then 10 was 10, 10 2 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 10 6 times is 60, 10 7 times is 70. 10 is not divisible by 6. 20 is not divisible by 6. 30 is divisible by 6. 6 5 times. 30 is divisible by 5. Yes, 5 6 times. That means this is the LCM or no? So yete this becomes mohan itia do LCM do kina low guli do LCM do 30 uche. That means 5 how much times? 5 6 times. That means 6 aiche. 6 how much times? 5 times ase. And then 10 how much times? 3 times. So the ratio becomes, we'll eliminate the denominator. So ratio do 6 5 arrow 3 uche. A arrow B, A B C la ratio do. Puisa do kiman diche? 8400 digina ase. 6 5 3 la total sob milai na kiman ase? This will give us 14 parts ase. Tan hudia say what is the share of A? That means A laga share pisao nimide. A's share will be out of 14 parts. A got 6 parts. Yate 8400 ase. So here 2 3 times, 2 7 times, 7 1 times, 7 1 2 0 0 ase. So here 3 1 2 0 0 will give us 3 6 0 0 ase. So the answer is 3 6 0 0. So yeah, that's all for the day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.